Hello everyone, my name is Vinay Singh and I am currently pursuing BSc in Data Science from IIT Guwahati. So today I am going to present my project which is a movie recommendation system. The main objective of this project is to recommend similar movie based on similarity. And in simple words, if user likes a movie, the system suggests other movie which are similar to it. This type of system is used in platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and YouTube. I tried to build a simple version of this concept to understand how a recommendation system works in real life. Now I will talk about the tools and technologies I use in this project. First, I use Python as my main programming language because it is widely used in data science and machine learning. Then I use Pandas library, which help me in loading and processing the dataset. For machine learning, I use Scikit-learn, and in this project, I use CountVectorizer and cosine similarity from Scikit-learn. And let me tell you about CountVectorizer. CountVectorizer is used to convert text into numbers, and cosine similarity is used to compare two movies. For building the user interface, I use Streamlit, and it is a very simple and powerful framework to create web application quickly. I also use TMDB API. Using this API, I was able to fetch movie poster, rating, cast, details. Now I'm talking about the dataset. I use TMDB 500 movie dataset from Kaggle. It contains information such as movie title, genre, keywords, cast, crew, and overview. This dataset is very useful because it provides complete information about each movie. So let me show you my website now. Let me reload it up. So this is the interface of my application. Here the user can search any movie. Let me search. Let me take an example and search Avatar. Now I click. Uh, I will select this movie and click on recommend button. As we can see, the system is now displaying the output and it is showing the poster of the movie, rating, description of the movie, and also showing the cast and director of the movie. If we scroll, then we can see the recommended movies. These movies are selected because they are similar to the selected movie. This similarity is based on features like genre, cast, story. So this is how system works. Let me tell you that if I'm a user, I don't know the full name of the movie. I want to see, I know spider only. Let me search spider. Then I can see here are the all movies which contain the name of spider. I want the spider. I will click on recommend. See, it is showing the poster of movie, rating of movie, description of the movie, cast, directors, and also suggesting the recommended movies, top 5 recommended movies. This is how my system works now. One thing is interesting about this system that it is it does not depend on user ratings. Instead, it depends on movie content. It is called a content-based recommendation system. It compares movie pictures and not user behavior. This makes the simple system and easy to understand. Now I will explain the problems with. So in today time, there are huge number of movies available online. Because of this, users often get confused about what to watch. It becomes difficult to search for relevant content. Sometimes users also miss good movies because of lack of proper recommendation. To solve this problem, recommendation system are used. So in this project, I tried to solve this pro this problem by suggesting movie based on similarity. So this improves user experience and helps user discover new content. Now I will the explain my code, how I build it. First, I loaded the dataset. I used Pandas while loading the dataset. So there are two datasets, movie dataset and created dataset. Then I merged both datasets using the movie method. Then it helps in combining all information into one place. After that, I selected only important columns, movie ID, title, overview, genres, keywords, cast, and crew. After that, I created some functions to process and clean the data. For example, I extracted names from genres and keywords. I also created a function to select on the top three vectors. And another function is used to extract the director name. Then I applied instructions, clean data set. After that, I handle missing values to process the overview data. I also remove space between words to maintain consistency. Now coming to the most important part. I created a column text. In this column, I combined candies, keywords, cast, director, overview. So this step is important because it helps in comparing movies. After that, I converted movies into number by, by using CountVectorizer. Then I calculated similarity using cosine similarity. So higher similarity means movie are more related. Finally, I calculated the recommend function. This function takes a movie name, it calculates similarity, and return top I recommend movies. Now I will explain evaluation. This system uses cosine similarity. It measures how similar two movies are. If similar score is high, then movies are considered similar. The quality of recommendation depends on how well the tags are treated. So this method works well with content-based recommendation system. While I was working on this project, I faced several challenges. Initially, I was not able to understand how recommendation system works. I also faced issue in data pre-processing. Later, I faced problem with API and with the deployment, but I take the time and I solve these problems step by step. And I learned too many things from this project. I learned how to perform data, how to build a model, how to create a web application. And in future, this project can be improved by adding more features like trailers of the better UI, better dashboard of the mesh, and advanced machine learning models abilities can use in this project in future. So overall, this was a great learning experience for me. Thank you all for watching my presentation of my project. Thank you. Bye bye.